You know I love tacos de lengua, and I think there's many reasons why people don't cook tongue. But if you cook it right, I think it can be the most sumptuous, rich, satisfying cut of meat.
Yeah.
So this is how you get it from the butcher.
Yeah, you know, I've never seen it whole like this.
So I'm gonna rinse it with cold water. Okay, first we're gonna boil it, and it's gonna cook here low and slow for like 4 to 5 hours. Let me rinse my hands. Okay, so we have onion. I'm gonna add 3 bay leaves, a teaspoon of black peppercorns, a teaspoon of marjoram, thyme, and oregano. And then you can add in the garlic. And then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon salt. So these would need to cook for anywhere from 4 to 5 hours.
Whoa. That's gotta be like one of the crazier things we've ever cooked together.
I think. So the minute that we can handle it, we should peel it, because if not, the skin sticks and it's really hard to peel. Look at how easy this is.
See, now that's kind of the color I'm used to. Yeah.
It's like peeling a banana.
Oh my god.
Is it crazy?
It's crazy.
Use a paring knife or a sharp knife, and whatever isn't meat, you just discard. Mila is dying right now. She wants to eat her tongue. As it cools, we're gonna make the salsa martajada.
Okay.
You know what martajada means?
No.
Martajada is just mashed. So we have a 1/4 pound tomatillos, a full pound tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, 1 serrano, 1 garlic. Let's do,
How much
a
onion?
1/4, and cut it in chunks. I'm gonna put this on the broiler then. So now we're gonna slice the tongue. Now you can see the meat.
Yeah, wow.
I'm gonna slice it in half, and I'm removing any funky bits that you see that you wouldn't wanna eat. And then these, we just slice. So you go against the grain, so that it'll be even more tender.
So put it all in the bowl?
Uh-huh.
What are we doing now?
We're checking for the ingredients to see if they're roasted.
Wow.
You want them exactly that way. This looks perfect. Look at the juices.
Yeah.
So you want them almost falling apart, and we're not taking the skin off. We have 1 whole chipotle in adobo and the sauce. Let's do a teaspoon of salt. To make a salsa martajada, you either mash it in a molcajete or you puree it in a blender, but you leave it chunky. This is gonna be feisty, Juju. And then we're gonna do super high, super fast sear.
Right.
Oil. So now I'm adding it to the hot oil. We're gonna do a quick braise. Now let's pour the salsa.
Salsa?
Yeah. I'm gonna reduce the heat because this is super hot, and just pour the entire thing over. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for a minute.
Do you want to do the tortilla salsa avocado?
Yeah, we're gonna do 1 and 1 to begin.
I'll definitely eat more than 1.
Oh, this is so stunning, Juju. This one for you, this one for me. I love tongue so much. Yes, please. And then you add the cilantro, fresh onion. It gives such a delicious crunch.
Yeah.
Juju,
Yeah, you guys.
look at the beauty.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. It's like the softest tongue I've ever tried.
It's like street food right at home.
Yeah.